What is up, YouTube and Twitch? Welcome back to the My Crypto Journey live stream here for coffee and crypto. Well, not really coffee. We got Monster Energy Drink and crypto today. What's going on? Welcome. All right, so a little bit of recovery. It looks like Bitcoin did bounce a little bit, but for how long is the question? Make sure you clickety-clack that like button, push us up in the old algorithm. It's good to see you guys, and I'm actually feeling much, much better today. Thank you so much for everyone that reached out. Appreciate you guys. Now, look at there's a lot of there's a lot of like SEC involvement, a lot of scrutiny from the governments when it comes to cryptocurrency and some of these failing protocols. Does anyone else feel like this is a necessary evil? Like this has to happen? Does anybody else feel that way? Because that's how I'm feeling. Like, if you just look at some of these titles, that we're seeing right now, when it comes to, Tron DAO has increased its reserves for another 500 million USDC to defend the USDD peg. So there's another algorithmic stablecoin. This is the Tron one, right? That's looking a little shaky when it comes to its $1 peg. And so these kinds of things are wrecking a lot of people, like Celsius, right? So this is a title. Celsius moves to halt crypto withdrawals, catches Washington's eye. Like a lot of people, a lot of regulators and governments and, are just looking at this like, how can you pause withdrawals? Like, how can you do that? Like, no, you can't have your money right now. We need to wait for market conditions to get better. It's like, what if I need my money now? It's my money and I want it now. It's very, very interesting, because there's all kinds of insurances and safeguards in traditional finance and banking that, even if something happened to the bank, you'd still have some sort of money, right? Because it's federally backed. But that's not the same. You don't get the same thing in cryptocurrency. And that's why it's a fine line between, DeFi and centralized finance, it's like, yeah, because like, for example, your MetaMask wallet, if your MetaMask wallet gets hacked or any wallet gets hacked, well, that sucks. It's like, oh, well, snooze, you lose. And no one likes that. But then you really have the keys to your crypto, but in a centralized exchange, if it gets hacked and exploited for some reason, you're fine. But they could just be like, nah, you're not getting your money, which is bad, right? That's objectively bad. So insane. What's up? We got Bree in the chat. What's up, Bree? We got Gabe. We got Bernie. What's up, Bernie? We got Robert R. Legal Alien. What's up, baby? Selmo Fudd. Will Enterprise. Steve the Canadian. What's up, Steve? What's up, Grant? Jay Hawk. Well, already, the thirst continues already. The drop isn't affecting me directly substantially. I'm in a few tokens, but they're fairly stable. I'm DCAing. Just wish I had more liquid. Yeah, I feel that, right? It sucks to like not have a lot of cash on the side to buy more. But what I'm hearing a lot from different people, the people that are not really into crypto but dabble in it, who are like the main finance, you could say like people like Clear Value Tax, Graham Stevens, Meet Kevin, they're not really bullish on cryptocurrency, and I expect those guys' opinion. You know what I mean? Steve the Canadian. Oh, Steve, you want to be a moderator? If you want, yeah. Hold on. Too bad mods can't mod other mods. That'd be cool. Yeah, but I'm listening to those guys, and they're not really bullish on cryptocurrency, and they're saying that this might be another, little bit of a winter, and then what's up, Biz? And then if you go to something like this, which is very interesting because, it's an interesting, a thing to do. It's like Coinbase will lay off around 18% of its workforce, around 1,000 employees. That's a big deal. Coinbase laying off 1,000 employees is a big deal. That's a huge deal. So we have to look at stuff like that. But on the other hand, there are people like Binance saying, no, we got positions open. So who knows, right? Maybe Coinbase is a little less prepared. All we know is that Coinbase is the second most popular exchange when it comes to exchange score, right? Not exactly in volume, because there's exchanges that have more volume than Coinbase, but it still has a nice exchange score. People trust it. And I personally like Coinbase. It's easy to use. It's intuitive. It's not all weird and technical. It's kind of like a dumb phone for like your grandparents, right? So I like Coinbase exchange, but this is crazy, right? They're going to lay off 18% of its workforce. So layoffs mean something, right? Layoffs means, well, they're probably not going to get the same revenue volume, those sorts of things that they're used to getting. So, and check this out too, which I think that this is a necessary evil. I really do. Justin, according to Fox reporter Eleanor Terrett, the SEC sent letters to several crypto exchanges inquiring about the lack of insider trading safeguards. So SEC's all up on that ass when it comes to insider trading, which is probably a big deal, right? Because I can imagine that there's a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges that have people um, um, that are doing this sort of thing, right? Chris E, what's up, Chris? Says that's not why withdrawal was blocked. There are rumors spreading on social media that Celsius is struggling because of the money invested by the way exchanges. People panicked and started withdrawal money from Celsius. Over 1 billion was withdrawn. Celsius had to pause withdrawal due to rapid withdrawal. Banks don't always have the money on hand. Banks in 2000 recession also paused withdrawals. Interesting. Yeah, they have a lot of their liquidity staked, right, in staked ETH, and you can't withdraw that, right? So, I mean, still though, still you just can't stop people from withdrawing their money. Gabe beat me to the chat today. We're fighting now. What's it, Biz? So I think this is sort of a necessary evil, right? The SEC getting up. I mean, there's some lines they're overstepping, but there's a lot of shady stuff in cryptocurrency, right? There's a lot of like clear, obvious scams that people get wrecked by. Saitama. So, yeah, definitely the end of shitcoins. I think that shitcoins can of course shitcoins are gonna move when the entire I don't even have Dex tools up. How disrespectful. How disrespectful. I think shitcoins are gonna do well when the market starts to move again. But it's just like I said, like some of these projects have no intention at all of staying like my God, Saitama was up 30%. This thing is just pumping and dumping like a motherfucker. Luna up fucking 7%, BTFA up 5%, and the rest are down. There's a little bit of recovery right now, right? If we go to the crypto bubbles, things are making recovery. ADA is up 8%, but this could just be a bounce. And people are saying that there could be a rally to like 29,000 again, and then a massive, massive dip. And what I'm hearing is that the economy, everything is just going to dump hard in one day. It's going to be one of those one day things. So it's going to be absolutely crazy. I mean, there's a lot of uncertainty right now, real uncertainty. And then they were saying that they're going to have to raise interest rates, hike it, the 0.75 level. That's crazy, right? That's never happened, I don't think. And that's not good, Mr. Jerome. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, Mr. Powell. They're gonna have to do. It's like you fucking print all this money, and it's like, wow, what? What's up, Abandoned Voices? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Good to see you, man. Pesa has been holding up nicely. Staking was recently opened as well. Yeah, Pesa Base doing well. They're a company that's been running for a while. They're going to keep running. Yeah, Miss NFT Queenie said that last night on the stream. I guess Ozum has him and ASMR fan. That's her date night, and that's when they, I'm just kidding. It's I think it's like some sort of graduation or something like that. So I mean, it's looking good today, guys, but I don't know. It feels like a trap to me, right? It feels like a trap. It's always felt like a trap. And I'm watching some of these other cryptocurrency channels like talk about it, and it just seems like hopium. Like it sucks listening to the hard facts, about things, but sometimes you have to, man. Sometimes you have to listen to some hard facts about stuff. Like it sucks. It's unfortunate. But if you listen to like hopium channels, like they're gonna tell you things that you want to hear, right? They're gonna tell you things you want to hear. So let's go to clear value text. This is a good one.
Hyundai Sonata
I like
versus
this guy.
Toyota Camry. Hyundai Sonata.
In this video, I will be answering your questions about the stock market crash and the recession. Yesterday, I made a video explaining why the Federal Reserve must now force Question number 5. Should I sell my cryptos now and just take the loss? That depends. I'll just say that if you got stuck in a trade, then I would cut my losses and sell. So I'm going to explain this. If you bought a crypto and you don't know much about it, you were just basically trying to buy it and sell it really quickly for a quick profit, but you failed to do so because obviously the price dropped, then I would sell out of that position. However, if you're holding a crypto for the long run and you have faith in that crypto, then I would continue to hold and hodl. If you're going to choose to hodl, I just want you to be aware that you might be hodling for a very long time. I am predicting that Bitcoin is not going to see serious and sustained upward movements until the next Bitcoin halving, which is going to happen around spring of 2024. So I believe that the peak of the next Bitcoin bull run, that's going to be around 2025. So you can take a look at the history, you can look at the patterns, and I'm not just talking about graphical patterns. It's because of supply and demand coming from the halving. And if you don't believe me, you could take a look at my video history. I predicted the peak of this bull run and I nailed it on the head, and I made a lot of people a lot of money. Question number 6.
That's interesting, right? That's very, very interesting. So, you know, people are asking some pretty insane questions like, should I cash out my 401k? No. Should I buy gold? That's not really insane, but it's a store value, right? Should I sell my stocks right now? Should I be buying stocks? You know, so people are asking some pretty crazy questions. That's a funny face. Look at that. Look at that pause. God damn. You know, so when it comes to you know, some realism, I like listening to him because he's real. He's always been real. And so I gotta watch him. And although he's not the cryptocurrency expert, he knows his shit, and everything he says, it matches up. So I have to believe a guy like that. Like, let's go to Meet Kevin. Look at Meet Kevin says about cryptocurrency. And I believe Meet Kevin too, you know. Why this crypto crash is different. This is a good video.
Boy, oh boy, have we had multiple fears and endless FUD in crypto. Terra Luna's collapse was devastating as it opened the door to substantially more regulation, likely delayed ETFs for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and ultimately we now have a substantially more uncertain market, leading to more fear, which leads to more selling, less purchasing, and more pain for the cryptocurrency market. The collapse of stablecoins like Terra Luna, by the way, was something that I've warned against since December of 2020, again in January 2021, and in a video I'll link down below, March 17th, 2021. I've discussed that the rapid collapse of Bitcoin for any reason, because Bitcoin has had these large drawdowns in the past, that we could see liquidity fall, fear increase, and cracks that would lead to stablecoin breakage. And that we have already started to see. Now, we've got even more problems, though, because listen to this. Not only has crypto fallen under a total combined market cap of $1 trillion, we saw a brief depeg in Tether this morning around 7 a.m., which did recover, though. But
that's scary. Like, if Tether depegs, I mean, I know there's a lot of like, you know, like uncertainty around Tether, but that's scary. That's gonna really, it's gonna be bad.
But could be a sign that some of those underlying assets over at Tether are starting to need to get liquidated to increase those cash balances. And with treasury yields rising and us not knowing entirely where all of the securities are behind Tether, we know this is Tether FUD, obviously, you know, questions still arise. Okay, what's going to happen to Tether as BTC approaches now its 200-week moving average of about 22,000? But folks, listen to this. What I'm about to show you has never happened before. It still hasn't happened.
Check this out.
But it's about to happen. And it's a bad thing. The low, let's put it this way. Let's put up the chart on screen here. And what's important for you to look at is when you see a low.
Click, 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 click. That's the sound of an
Fucking
evil bot
ads.
clicking on your ads. Bad bots waste your advertising.
Oh, after the first halving, you end up having another 83% to fall to get to the previous high. That's a really big spread between the previous high and the low after the next halving, which is a good thing because if it draws an increasing time frame of rising Bitcoin prices after each halving. The same thing was true after the second halving. So when we hit a high after the first halving, the second halving's low was still 64% away from the top of the prior cycle. This is super important because no matter when you bought Bitcoin in the past, all you really had to do was wait a max of 4 years. And even if you bought at the very tippy top peak, as long as you just hodled, you'd still be making a substantial amount of money. But we're seeing a crack because this rule might break. Take a look at the right side of the chart. We are now within 17% of the $19,000 peak that we had in the prior halving cycle. If we break $19,000, we will, for the first time in Bitcoin's history, be breaking the rule that we don't pass the prior halving's peak on the way down, that we always bottom above it. That would be a bearish signal for Bitcoin. And right now we're wondering, is Bitcoin just temporarily selling off? We're still above that level.
Uncharted territory, right? Uncharted territory. So that's a lot of where the mystery is in this. And look, it hasn't gotten there yet, right? We're seeing a little bit of a bounce right now, but a lot of people I'm watching are saying that it might be bad like this. But the crazy thing is, like, there's so much mass adoption now. You know, there's so many companies integrating cryptocurrency. You know what I mean? And it's hard to believe that cryptocurrency would just do such a huge pullback like that, right? And we go into some sort of crypto winter for, 1, 2, 3, 4 years. So
we're good right now, but is it just temporarily selling off because of what just happened to one of the biggest lenders in crypto? We'll talk about them in just a moment after I mention that this video is brought to you by FTX.
So he's going to talk about Celsius. We know about Celsius. Coffeezilla actually made a good video about Celsius. And what happens is when these big cryptocurrency like trading platforms or algorithmic stable coins or these big like cryptocurrency projects that are like looked up, like they're not seen as shit coins. They're seen as like real responsible projects, good teams. They're all like, we know who they are, that they've been around for years, and these projects are collapsing. And that doesn't look good for cryptocurrency when these established projects that people trust, like Tether, UST, Terra Luna, Celsius, like, it doesn't look good when these projects fail and do shady stuff. So, it doesn't look good for cryptocurrency in general. I mean, it's okay if we have some meme coins that looks like that are scams. That's fine. But these big responsible projects, it doesn't look good, right?
The link in the description down below. You can find more information about FTX. If you sign up online, you can check out their TradingViews integrated trading platform with the FTX platform. Not had any issues meeting our withdrawal requests. Celsius honors all withdrawals as quickly as possible and works hard to support customers. And
so absolutely insane. What's up, David? How you doing? Good morning. Good morning. Little Saitama pump, but Dev wallet 2010 will be dumping here soon. Yeah, I saw a little Saitama pump. So it's all insane. It's all insane. Yeah, yesterday Coinbase did. So I did a withdrawal yesterday on Coinbase, and it took 24 hours. I was like, oh, that's weird. Usually it takes less than that. Like, it's instant. So but the next bear, I'm selling everything for ETH and sending to Coinbase and converting to straight cash. I ain't trusting no stablecoin. The funny thing we watched last night is Alex Becker made a very, very good video talking about, it's like no one wants to sell at all-time highs, like insane all-time highs. They want to hodl, right? But once we start dumping, everyone wants to sell. It's like, that makes sense, right? That makes sense. And then he talked about like celebrities like saying dumbass shit in the news, right? Because look at the point is, right, even if you sold, or you bought, because he's saying buy the dip pretty much, right? In other words, even if you bought down here, last time in 2017, on the way down, you bought that dip. And although you didn't buy the absolute bottom, the next bull run, you're feeling pretty good, right? And if you bought the right projects, you won the game. You win at life, right? You're rich, right? At least in that category. So is that Jake Gyllenhaal's brother? This isn't unusual. There's so many new people not sure what's happening. Bitcoin comes down the same as any other coin. It's just to get more reason to come down faster. Bitcoin comes down the same as many other coins. Well, Bitcoin is like it's the safest risky asset, right? In cryptocurrency. It's like what everybody trusts. So it moves the market, and everything else is seen as like extremely risky. And we just can't have anything. We can't have Tron and USDD collapse. We cannot have that. We can't have Tether collapse. Like that's not going to be good. Celsius looks like it's recovering a little bit, but they still haven't enabled trading. So that's not good, right? That's objectively not good. So we need to make sure that these protocols don't collapse, and it's just not going to look good for cryptocurrency. Hey, Rodney, I saw you have an honorary BTFA floor price 18 ETH. I'm curious if you don't promote the project, did something happen with you guys? Wait, what? I saw you have an honorary BTFA with the floor price of 18. Is that one really 18 ETH? I didn't know that. I'm curious why you don't promote the product. Did something happen with you guys? No, I had a little I had a deal with them, but I don't have it anymore. So I didn't know it was worth 18 ETH though. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I did get one a long time ago. One day I might have to eat your food on my channel, chef. Oh, is a Filipino chef? What's up, Filipino chef? Congrats on the truck. The truck looks freaking fire. Matt Damon said to be brave. Fortune favors the brave. Look at now's the time. Why? My thing is like, if it's a good established project and it's not a shitcoin trade, why would you sell right now? It doesn't make any sense for me to sell right now. It just doesn't make any sense. I mean, you can because it could bottom out some more, but we don't know. Right? No one knows. But we're looking at history, right? History changes. Like different things happen. Like I said, the world is not in turmoil, but there's a lot of uncertainty right now. So if you can afford to hodl and buy the dip, well, then do so. If you believe in cryptocurrency, if you believe there's a future in cryptocurrency, right? So what's up, Kunal? How you doing? What's the stablecoin and Coinbase platform? They have Tether and USDC, I believe. Yeah, they do. Both of those. Yeah, I'm with you, Biz. I'm with you. I'm not going to lie, guys. I might have to take a dump here soon. God damn. Crypto is a scam? No. Damn. Celsius, and you would think Tether, or UST was good, right? Damn. Why? Oh, Lord. I mean, God forbid something bad happens with like ETH or Cardano or BNB. BNB, they're like hiring people right now. BNB's goats, you know what I mean? So check this out. So Binance CEO, of course, CZ says the company has over 2,000 open positions. Like we're hiring right now. What a goat. And this is it's pretty interesting, right? So check this out. The New York mayor expresses his disagreement with the recently published bill that banned Bitcoin. So the New York mayor, it is friendly towards cryptocurrency, but New York is not. So that's funny, right? It's so funny that in the United States, how like states are just all so different. It's so hard to be consistent across states. So. Hilarious. Yes, USDC is the safest. Take your dump. Just take the microphone with you. Take your phone so you can talk to us in chat. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go here soon, guys. All right. I gotta take a shit. No cap. Let's go ahead and put the crypto bubbles on. I'm gonna be in the chat, but we're gonna lose a lot of viewers. I can't help it though. It's Mother Nature, right? We just hit 200 people, fucking viewers too. Well, You always wash your hands after dropping a deuce, guys. How do you drop a deuce and not wash your hands? Come on now. First rule of life. But thank you so much for keeping the chat entertained. Roddy getting more viewers taking a shit than some do actually talking shit. Yes, nasties. Yeah, it just kind of fell out, ASMR fan. It just kind of fell out, you know? This motherfucker scrolling Twitter. Bro, that takes at least 15 to dump. Apps takes you? No, I just kind of fell out, you know? I've been eating a lot of spicy foods. If you put Rodney taking a shit on live Twitter, we're gonna have 2,000 viewers. Come on, man. You know that's the thing. Wash your hands, Rodney Biden. Come on, man. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. But yeah, I mean, look at when it comes to cryptocurrency and stuff, we can't have these large protocols and projects just fucking collapsing. It doesn't look good. I know that this is like a necessary. We have to go through this, right? But damn, right? Damn. Of course, Terra Classic is still trending. Shout out to Terra. Damn, man. One of those, relax and release. Yeah. Need more fiber? I got fiber. Oh, Awandi needs more fiber. I'm in there at least 35 minutes. God damn. I got time for 35 minutes on the toilet. God damn. Out of your damn mind. I just did an old Amber Heard and just shit on my bed. What's up, Hovey? How you doing? So USD depegging would be bad, but they might run out of. They're deploying funds to back the peg, but this is this is not good. Not good. How low did it go? 97 cents. Ooh. Ooh. Just hold on. We're gonna airdrop. I used to have an app where I timed my poops at work. You put your pay rate and they would tell you how much you're pooping. You made a poop. That's hilarious. What's up, Ranger Chris? Yeah, so I mean, when it comes to these large protocols, we need to make sure they need to stay working, right? They need to stay working. This is interesting. I wonder where is Celsius based out of? Where is that based out of? New Jersey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, the USA is looking at this. Not going to look good. Not going to look good. You guys want to watch the new Coffeezilla video? Let's watch Coffeezilla. Oops. Follow me if everything is all right. I'll be the one to take you in, and if you want to leave, I can guarantee you won't find nobody else like. So watch part of it at least. Coffeezilla, coffee. I love coffee. Although Coffeezilla, they hate fucking crypto. I love them.
A multi-billion-dollar crypto bank is collapsing, and I'm here to explain why.
Let's watch it.
Celsius Network.
Celsius Network
This platform is Celsius Network.
definitely is one of the big ones in the crypto space.
Joining me now is Celsius founder and CEO Alex Mashinsky.
The core business is to challenge conventional banking.
Where holders can find decent yield at a time when traditional savings accounts pay almost nothing.
How is it that by doing nothing, I can hold the USD stablecoin and earn close to 10%?
Let me stop you right there. You can't.
Look it. This is why I'm so skeptical of protocols with any APR anymore. I got wrecked by a bunch of different DAOs, and now this shit's happening. And it seems like all these things are getting wrecked.
Turns out. Today, we're answering all the questions. What is Celsius? Why is it collapsing? And why don't they just convert it to Fahrenheit, honestly? Well, I'm here to answer. Celsius is a place where you can deposit your cryptocurrencies in exchange for interest payments. And they will turn around and give out loans and charge interest on that as well. And if that sounds like a bank to you, depositing and lending money, I should clear that part up right away. Celsius says they're not a bank because banks are bad.
Banks are not your friends. We all know that. And we decided to create a replacement for the banking system, right? Something that acts in your best interest, a place where you can actually have your money work for you, not just you work for your money. And basically 3 years since we launched the product, we've paid $1 billion back to the community.
Wow. That guy you just heard speaking is Alex Mashinsky. And nobody hates banks more than this guy. I mean, look at his shirt. How could his company, which lends money and takes deposits, be a bank when he has a shirt that says banks are not your friends? Weird foreshadowing, actually. In fact, before we jump into this whole thing, I need to tell you how much Alex hates banks. He hates them so much, he says that banking and securities laws shouldn't apply to his company. Quote, banking and securities laws shouldn't apply to Celsius because cryptocurrencies are commodities. This is from a great article by Bloomberg. And he says, quote, like a neighbor who borrows a cup of sugar, then later gives back a cup and a tablespoon more. That's right. The normal rules shouldn't apply to him. Why would you regulate this humble little sugar lender? Well, I can think of one reason. Maybe it has something to do with the 25 billion cups of sugar that Celsius has under management. Sorry, dollars. I got a little confused there. And yeah, actually, it's not cups of sugar they're lending so much as it is digital dollars, which it's kind of hard to say that lending digital dollars and lending regular dollars are not pretty similar things. Again, I think most people would say the rules should apply to them, especially since Celsius is now collapsing. And we do not know yet whether it will survive this crash or what will happen to its 25 billion cups of sugar. But of course, the big question is, what is causing this collapse? Well, it turns out for the past few months, people have been worried about Celsius's ability to repay customers back their withdrawals, partially because of the insane yields that they were paying out. For example, if you were to deposit like $1 at a bank, you'd get a fraction of a % of interest every year. On the other hand, if you deposited 1 Tether or USDC at Celsius, they were paying 9% per year on your money. That's the same amount of money, and Celsius is paying out 100 times the interest rate on that exact same.
This makes you think maybe just traditional banks have it right? Let's keep going.
Deposit, basically. And the question is, how is that possible, right? Is this thing too good to be true? And if it is, when is it going to collapse? Well, the founder, Mashinsky, has been telling everyone that it's not too good to be true. In actual fact, the reason this is possible is because banks equal bad and Celsius equal good. He's quoted as saying, it's the traditional finance system that's ripping people off by taking their deposits, using them to make money, and then claiming it can only pay tiny interest rates. Somebody is lying, Mashinsky said. Either the bank is lying or Celsius is lying. Oof, that aged poorly, didn't it?
Yeah,
because despite him claiming that everything was fine, things under the surface weren't actually so great. See, at least in theory, the idea of Celsius isn't like totally insane, right? Banks do give tiny interest rates compared to what they make. And Celsius was charging fairly high interest rates to borrow their crypto. Like to borrow a stablecoin, they would charge 12%, which is more than they were paying to deposit it. But the real problem is that no bank or new age finance company can ever loan out 100% of what they have as deposits. The reason is that if you lent out every dollar you took in, you'd have nothing left to pay withdrawals back with. And so you're left in this sort of conundrum. On the one hand, you want to loan out as much as possible to get the interest to pay your depositors. But on the other hand, you need to keep enough on hand to pay for withdrawal. And that's all money that you're not making interest on, which makes this whole thing kind of a weird balancing act. Lend too much, you can't meet withdrawals. Lend too little, you're losing money every month. Now, perhaps to solve this money problem, Celsius created their own crypto token called CEL, which people could invest in. This token, in theory, was supposed to lube the whole system up and make it work smoothly like a finely tuned engine. It could provide liquidity where they needed it. Actually, they literally described the system as a wheel, according to Mashinsky, a wheel of fortune that keeps on giving. According to him, this was Celsius's main business plan. Flywheel token economics, he called it. Issue loans, collect interest, give it to the people, lend coins, collect interest on coins, buy Celsius, distribute to members. You get the idea. Money goes up forever. Well, right up until it doesn't. Because in case you haven't noticed, it's winter in June. I mean, checkmate, climate scientists, we are in a crypto winter, okay? And markets are all down. And all of a sudden, people start to get a little worried. Money doesn't just go up. And so some withdrawals start to begin. At first, everything's fine. The Financial Times reported $1 billion flowed out from March to May. No big deal, right? But as things continued, things got a little shaky for Celsius because all of a sudden, everyone sees Luna collapse in May, which was because of unsustainable yields. And you're looking at Celsius like, that kind of looks like the same thing. But then, worst
all right, that's what I'm saying.
of all, the Cell token, which they created, started to plummet. Now, this is
like
where
everything
things
else,
get
though,
bad because the Cell token is like the grease in this flywheel. Remember, it was how they were going to get out of their jam. They could just always sell their little token and get the money to pay back anything. Maybe they had some deposits locked up, right? But if their Cell token becomes nearly worthless, all of a sudden, small jams become much more dangerous. So things are getting worse, and compounding this problem, a lot of deposits of theirs are locked up. For example, their Ethereum deposits were locked in ETH2. Now, this part of the story gets a little complicated, so we're kind of grazing past some stuff that I may get to in a full post-mortem I'm doing later. But all you need to know for now is that they didn't have enough liquidity, and they started to take loans to pay back for withdrawals. This was documented by the crypto researcher Dirty Bubble Media. He would track the crypto that flowed into their wallets and started to notice that big exchanges like FTX started sending $50 million in USDC to Celsius all of a sudden. And he would post this for everyone to see. And it sort of became a vicious cycle. The more the pressure mounted on Celsius, the more Celsius would take out loans or try to find ways to pay for withdrawals. But then people would see that and post it on Twitter, which would cause people to panic, thinking that Celsius was unbacked. And as a result, even more withdrawals would come, which would, again, make them need to go out for loans. I think you get the idea. It's sort of the opposite of Mashinsky's flywheel. And
friends would walk up to me and
I mean, we got the point, right? We got the point. Let's continue.
This became...
Hey, don't be... Ahmed, don't say... You could be on timeout. Don't be freaking busting here saying stuff like that, dude. Just don't say that word. Why even...
Too much for them. Officially, on June 12th, 2022, Celsius paused all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers. The idea here being, if they can recoup some of the crypto they have locked up elsewhere, they can actually pay for withdrawals. And I get that this may have been necessary, but this is sort of like the pilot in the aircraft saying, don't panic, but I'm putting a pause on the engines for a second. I mean, everyone's going to immediately panic. And the Cell token plummeted another 50% in 1 hour from there. This obviously compounds the solvency issue further because any Cell tokens that they have are even more worthless. Not to mention, it's unclear whether Celsius has all the money to pay back investors. So maybe they're just putting a pause on the inevitable. Meanwhile, people start to crawl around the terms of conditions at this time they signed up to, and they found something quite worrying. They found the bankruptcy clause that was in this centralized bank that's not a bank. And listen to what it says. In the event that Celsius becomes bankrupt, enters liquidation, or is otherwise unable to pay its obligations, any eligible digital assets used in the earn services or as collateral under the borrow service may not be recoverable. So it turns out that when a bank that's not a bank takes your money, the rules don't apply to them the same way. I mean, don't you get it? When you were giving them your hard-earned crypto, it was more like you were lending them some sugar cubes. And I don't mean to make light of this or anything, but their position is so clearly silly. Although I want to be clear that Celsius, I hope they make it through this. Not because they deserve to, but because the investors who have their life savings stuck in there deserve to keep their money. I mean, if one thing became very clear to me while researching this story, it's how many people dumped their life savings into this. Yeah. Once again, coming from the Bloomberg article, quote, as part of a contest in which customers shared their Celsius story, many said they entrusted Celsius with their life savings. One said he took out home equity and cashed in his work pension.
No, why? Oh God, damn. Rorschach, I know. I need to get Twitch going, but I think it's just watch time, you know. What's up, Flava Dave? Welcome back, bro. What's up, baby? You know what? If you're MIA, we'll be here when you get back. But this makes sense, right? But Biz hit me up and said that that's why he likes Voyager and whatnot. I need to do more research into Voyager and understand, because I don't want it to be the same thing as these guys, right? So let me see. What's this? That's what I don't want. I took a home equity for Saitama Pro. You guys are wild, bro. You guys are wild. Let's go see if my NFT is worth that much. Hold on. Let's see. Ether scan. If it is, I'm fucking about to slang that shit so hard right now. I sent it from my other wallet into this wallet. That's interesting. Okay, so I don't think I have it in here yet. Let's see. Open store. What's the wait, what OpenSea shit? What the fuck is this? Meta Ape. Opens. What the fuck is this? Open store? 2 minutes ago. Oh, this is it. Let's see. Let's go to OpenSea. Let's go to OpenSea, shall we? Let us connect. Profile. Nice. Here's the honorary one, and then comes my Wagmi one. What's up? And then the one that this is hey, did you give me this one, DJ? So let's not go to OpenSea. Why not? What's with OpenSea? Yo, Rodnisha, I've been thinking about taking a personal loan out anyway, but thought take an extra 5K, 10K to throw in a crow. Thoughts? No, don't do that. It could go well, but Voyager is a publicly traded company. Yeah, that's what Biz was telling me. So, all right. Say for example, I wanted to sell this. Oh, how do I do that? I don't know how to. I don't know how to. I don't know. I don't deal with OpenSea. What do I do? How do I sell this? What do I do? So if this is going for 18 ETH, I'm gonna sell the shit out of it. Good morning, Rodney. Good time to buy. What's up, Franco? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. What's good, baby? Smash the like button. What's up, 2-bit? What's up, baby? Click on the NFT, Rodney. Okay. All right. Why does this have so many views? How does this have so many views? God damn, 7 favorites. Click on it, fool. Well, how do I sell it? Oh, I have no offers. So, right. So I'd have to have offers first. Famous. Click it, and the option should be there. Can't you see the big ass sell button? Oh yeah. I don't fucking know. Okay. The blue the bus is all right. What do I put? What is it going for? Let's do 20 ETH. See what happens. 20. Price is below. Wait, what? Price is below collection 4. Oh, God damn. What? 25? Oh, it's in dollars. I'd rather have. I'll do 30. That's it. Gotta pay gas for this shit? Damn. Hold on. I have to redo this because it's a ledger. So make it 100 ETH. No one's gonna buy this for 100 ETH. All right, let me change the length then. All right. I had to plug my ledger back up anyways. All right, reject. Okay, 1 month. Let's go. Where should I put it? What money? How much should I put up there? I'll do 50 ETH. That's a little much though, right? No, who's gonna pay 50 ETH for this shit? If someone pays 50 ETH for this shit, all right, we'll do 50 ETH. Complete listing. All right. Instead of we are selling OpenSea for the first time, you must initialize your. Oh, okay, okay. So this is my first time selling OpenSea. And so when they pay, does it just automatically go through? Do I have to do anything? Gas was like $12, I think, something like that. You sound like Smokey from Friday. Damn. Confirming 50 ETH. I have to do this again. Oh, sign. Sure. This goes in my wallet. Damn. Okay. Your item is now listed for sale. View item. What a fucking asshole. Dude, if someone buys this, I'd be surprised. I'm probably gonna get called out for this because it's a BTFA one because I got this for free. So I was the first one to make content on them, but it's automatic smart contract. If somebody agrees to 50 ETH, the blockchain will transfer the NFT to them at 50 ETH to you instantly. A way to get around the first time initialization is send to someone who used OpenSea before. Dodge that. It's okay. It's only $12. I don't have a lot of NFTs. Let's see your profile. I think it's right here, right? Profile. I have a bunch in one of my wallets, but they're not like they're not what the fuck? I have the protest against the war in Ukraine one. What the? People just send me stuff. People have been sending me stuff. I'm telling you, 100 ETH. I'm gonna do 100 ETH. I have a bunch of Rug Nation ones. I have a buddy who sent me a ton of NFTs, but I don't want to put those for sale. It's in my other wallet on my phone. Of course, like all of you, I have a few different wallets, right? Are you sure you want the first one, or was it Crypto Family? It was close. I don't know. I don't know, Dano. It is a cool NFT though, right? Some guy this off Rodney. Some guy. We'll see. I doubt it though. If someone buys, it's probably gonna be the team. All right. So I have the Wagmi one. I mean, but I wouldn't sell my Wagmi one because I have a lot of Wagmi tokens and not a lot of NFTs. Yeah, that was just little Pepe energy to sell that, and they gave it to you for free. I mean, make that money though. Little PP energy. Nice honorary, bro. It's all love though. Yeah, I mean, you know, someone wants to buy it. I'm not partners with the team anymore, so I mean, we'll still keep them on the watch list because they're doing big things, right? Well, they're looking strong, right? Compared to a lot of charts, they haven't like completely just dipped out, right? So, which is nice. They can resell when ETH goes back up for 100 Ethereum. Interesting. ETH is bouncing. It is kind of bouncing a little bit, right? How much for the other ones that have sold for? Actually, let me see. OpenSea. Let's see. And a Task Force Apes. Honorary. Let's see. Oh yeah, see. Mine's the most expensive by far. These are all honorary ones, huh? Wow. But mine's the coolest because I have a fucking bag. I am not walking degen. Come on now. Look at that. These are all cool, but mine's way cooler. I have the bag. This one's tight too. This one's tight. I have a bag over my head. The Super Saiyan one's cool too, but the bag, you know. BTFA. BTFA. And a Task Force. Here it is. These are their NFTs, right? Are these all of them? Are these it? Wagmi. Wagmi. Wagmi game and advanced collection. This is it. Half an ETH for 4 price is not bad, man. It's not bad. Where's the rarity one? Legendary. Nice. How much does this one go for? No offers yet. Nice. Yeah, that's what we hear about. That's a lot of people are thinking dead cat bouncing. This shit is going down tomorrow when the Feds. Dude, I know, bro. When you do giveaways, if I wouldn't pay me in Wagmi, dude, I'm not giving away any of my Wagmi. I have a lot of Wagmi, and it is not looking good right now. It is not looking good. It's looking pretty bad. So I'm just gonna hold on to it and just hope for the best. They're going on the crypto banter though. So check this out. They're going on a pretty big YouTube channel, which is like, will it help? I don't know, but at least it'll get the word out there. They have a lot of partners, man. You know. So Johnny, I'll be live to discuss Wagmi, including alliances, GameStop, Immutable X. We'll be joined by Scott Herman and Ian Bentley. So Ian Bentley. So that's cool. And Immutable X tweeted him out. Like, Immutable X is a big company, man. It's a big deal. Wagmi is doing all the right things. They're doing all look at the GameStop NFT, Immutable X. They're doing all the right things, like real legit influencers. Like this is a legit influencer. Like the other guy, I forgot his name. He has like a million followers. That guy is he legit? I don't think so, you know. Oh, look at who your boy is. Yeah. Okay, let's go, baby. So just keep improving the game, keep making it better, keep making it fun, more deep. It'll be good. Voyager moved all their funds from Celsius earlier this year after the risk department. Like it really? Okay, they don't like DeFi lending. We need Big T on your live or break everything down. That'd be nice, Biz. Maybe if you know him, that'd be nice. Maybe I can reach out to him. Voyager is nice. Voyager is nice. Wagmi is doo-doo water. Told you to sell your Wagmi. You didn't directly tell me to. You suggested. Yeah, you did. Yeah, I was up like a lot, like 30K or something like that, but it's okay. I'm not dying. I'm getting reflections. Reflections. Burn the Crocs. Yeah, but I still believe in this project, you know. They're making all the right moves. We'll see. You know, we'll see. So I'm no longer partners with them though. So keep that in mind. At least for now. So none of this is paid or anything like that. Just pumping my own bags, you know. But they have a lot of work to do still, so we'll see. Just got here. Damn markets. What's up, Uncle Ruckus? What's up, baby? How long are you going to hodl Wagmi for? The next big run up, I'll sell a good amount, but we'll see. It depends on the market, right? It depends on the market and how well they can survive this shitstorm, this crypto winter. I should have sold at least half of it, or took like 10K out. Usually I take, if I have like a big gain, I take like 10K out, something solid like that. I'll take like 10K, 20K, 5K, something nice and solid so I feel good, you know? And I'll buy ETH or something like that. Thanks, DJ. Who's still going to GameStop? Sell that shit, bro. That is the question. But they're trying to get on the blockchain, you know? And actually, I still go to GameStop because GameStop actually has a military discount. How do you feel about Terrarium? I like Terrarium. I believe I can fly. Too bad that's R. Kelly, right? That song's so good too. I think about it every night and day. Put my wings and fly away. ETH pumping like Saitama. Pump it, pump it, pump it. See me running to the open door. ETH pumping, pump it, pump it. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Don't you know, pump it. Who still goes to GameStop? Sell that. That shit did cross my mind though, Jonah. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, who the fuck goes to GameStop? I order from them online to the store because I get 10%. So that's not bad. Tectonic. We've talked about Tectonic. It's not my thing. But with Wagmi, you took a page out of that guy's book and thought you was headed for Pluto. Yeah, obviously, yeah. You know, I just look at the function of the game. They're improving it. The team's working hard. It's just the market looks like straight doo-doo water. And as a result, people don't want to take risks on Wagmi and other things like that. They just don't. It's like Terrarium too. Like people don't, or anything. No one wants to take risks, even though Terrarium's team is working hard. Even though they're doing all that stuff, people don't want to put a bunch of money into risky assets right now because the times are weird, you know? See, we'll see, right? Sell it, Rodney. Sell it. Wait, what am I selling? Wagmi right now? I can't. USDT is depegging. Shut the fuck up, please. None of that right now. No, not really. Still 99.8. Ooh. No. Not really. It's recovering, so. Can you fucking not? Hell yeah, USDT is a risky asset. You know what's not a risky asset? USD, baby. Let's go, baby. Wait. Why was this? Oh, USDD. Yeah, that's the Tron one. Tron, yeah. Can we not? Yeah, I mean it's 98 cents. Austin clowning you in the comments, so you got to throw Terrarium under. I'm if we see you. Now, no, sell us on Wagmi. You want me to sell you on Wagmi? I mean, I made a bunch of videos about it. What do you want me to do? Make a Wagmi videos? Hey, I'm not partners anymore, man. You know what I mean? Go watch the videos. I made videos about that. Time is money. It's going to be interesting how they deliver the project on the crypto banter, though. That's a big live stream. Well, they're all risky assets. Like I know Terrarium's still struggling to get over 10,000 holders. You know, even though we know it's a good project. Like Volt Inu, you know that. Come on, Volt Inu's down. You know. You got me thinking about selling my unopened. I have a Shirio Inu packs too. I just do not. Maybe I should send those to my wallet too. Let me send those to my wallet. See me running to that open door. I believe I can fly. Let me see. I can fly. Damn. Can you open those cards yet? I still have some. God damn, I got some fucking suspicious things in this wallet. Some suspicious things. Oh wait, I think I have them in my other wallet. Do I? Damn, what happened to Gorilla Inu? Shiba Floki Superstar. Oh my god, what is this? Can I send this? I think I need BNB. Did I send this? Shiba Floki Superstar. Oh, let me fucking how do I get my Can I get this Etherscan address? I need to see exactly what the fuck is in this shit. Was Scott a top holder in Wagmi? I think so, because he got into the product way before anybody did. You got 2 Shiro Mythics for $1. Someone messed up. You can bridge Polygon, open them, and they pay shit tons of gas. Imagine not being in crypto in today's world. Like, what the fuck are you really doing? What's up? Keep stacking. You can bridge Polygon, open them. Imagine not being in crypto. Even Riley Reid can't gush that crypto. Dude, remember that? I could not believe when Shirio Inu made that partnership. I'm still holding Wagmi NFT. I think the team will deliver something. Pull up the yearly sales and tower defense games. Just trying to fudge your bag. Breaking news: Bitcoin above. Man, shut the fuck up, J No Crypto. Rodney, there's a character named Randy in the new game called the Quarry. Looks like you just look like him, but he's a big pussy, by the way. Man, fuck you, Iman. Is this a roast session? Is this a roast? What do you think about Colt DAO? I'm not in Colt. Gas has been so cheap. I spent 2 hours and went through 4 of my wallets and sold out a tons of dead projects. Got $210 back. Hey, there you go. That's a nice little dinner. Take the missus out for a nice little dinner, or reinvest it. Do you see Bitcoin going up 10K by Friday? It could have a big bounce like that, but then a fat pullback. That's what I'm hearing. It's going to pump and dump all the way to the bottom, pretty much. So lower highs, right? And about selling my house to put it all in ETH. Ooh. When you read stories of people like that, What's up, Crypto Demon? What's up, baby? I'm doing well. How about yourself, buddy? Ooh. What are we hitting at the gym today? Today is leg day, and I'm doing I'm gonna really ramp up my cardio because I'm not losing weight as fast as I want to. So I gotta ramp it up. I gotta fucking push harder, do hard, be better, be more. So it's gonna be a lot of working out, but fuck it, let's go. Send it. I got 1 month until fucking Colorado. So it'll be good anyways. So I think I'm gonna hit the gym, and then I'm not gonna do cardio at the gym anymore. I'm just gonna come back and just do my walk. My foot is my knee is doing a lot better. I just can't stand up for a long period of time or like run or anything like that. Middle leg days every day. Hey, wrapping up them shims around the punching bag. Hey, nice. Get it, Crypto. I can't wait till I can kick again and stuff like that. 3 miles today. Get it, John Wick. Let's go. My knee is doing a lot better though. I have money set aside for when Bitcoin hits $1 again. Damn. Remember that? There's some crazy videos of that happening. Let's see. I'm going to the Global Dance Festival. So, if you're into that. Drink lots of high quality water to help. It's just calories in, calories out. It's calories in, calories out. I don't want to lose too much of that. I think 5 more pounds over the next month will be great. 5 more pounds over the next over the next month would be great. That'd be perfect. I'm not going to be as shredded as I want for Denver. It's just not possible over 1 month. I mean, it is possible, but you don't want to lose weight too fast because then you're going to lose some of your heart, your muscle that you gained. And muscle's not easy to make, man. It's a bitch. In Florida, soon, Miss NFT Queen. I'm thinking definitely before the year ends, maybe late summer. I just need to maybe go like a festival out there or something. I mean, I'm gonna hang out with the boys and the gals, of course, obviously. Classy's out there, you're out there. I'm convinced my crypto journey is the crypto Superman. He takes off his glasses at night, his light skin stream. Well, I don't want to put my contacts on this early in the morning, so. Remember this guy? This is 9 years ago.
Hyundai Santa Fe.
Damn, what a
versus
goat.
Honda Passport. Hyundai Santa Fe.
Hi everyone, it's been a while since I did a video, and I just want to do a quick video discussing where Bitcoin is and what it's going to do in the next few months, at least what I see it's going to do. I mean, I could be completely wrong, and I've been wrong before, but it's fun to guess at these things, and so I'm going to lay out some guesses on where it's going and so forth. One of the things I want you to understand is that Bitcoin is more than just a payment system. Satoshi Nakamoto, he wrote it as to ensure that you could do escrow transactions, bonded contracts, third-party arbitration, and multi-party signatures, and much more. This system, this whole Bitcoin protocol, is such a big game changer that the Bart Chilton coming out and saying that he wants to regulate it, he has no clue how that he's going to get a knife in the belly and a twist, that criminal, right?
What a goat. What a goat. What a goat, bro. And we're not going to keep watching this, but this guy told you to buy it. You know what I mean? What's up, BitBoy Crypto? Damn. Imagine if you would have listened to this guy 9 years ago on YouTube. Damn.
Hi, everyone. It also, right, if it catches on in a big way, right, all those features, right, have already been laid down. In the very beginning, Satoshi thought of all these things, right, for finances. And I don't know how, but he's laid it all down.
Imagine listening to this like in real time and be like, yeah, this guy's fucking crazy. What does this guy know? Damn. Damn. Yeah, this is his YouTube channel right here. Right? Damn. What a beast, right? What a fucking beast, bro. This guy has to be dumbass rich, like not even funny.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. Man, it's a song.
All right, tip for men, always shave your nose hair. Look at shave your nose hair. I know money is the great equalizer, but shave your fucking nose hair.
Number day, wow. It's like Bitcoin almost at 20K, right? I remember days when 20K was the major thing, and the surprise and happy days. Today, it's like not so much.
All right, who has the better gap? Who has the better gap? Hold on. Come on now. Come on.
And you know what? Bitcoin is never, I don't think it has ever broken below its previous all-time high. If you discount the 2013 double top, right? Of course, right? Because that one did come back to the 266 high after peaking out at 1300. But if you discount that, it's never come back to its previous all-time low. right? From the 4-year cycle. So with that said, right, can the Bitcoin hold the above the 20K? Most likely. I'm a little concerned. The only concern I have, right, is the volume. If you guys, just in case you're here for, you weren't here for the what's it called, the technical analysis, I just want to quickly show you one little thing, and then we're going to get on to the news that you guys can use for the day. So here you can see I circled this a while ago that this is where we're going. We're going to 21K. It was an absolute, right? And here we are, right? 21K is right where the 200 period moving average is. The 200 period moving average is right there. It's a blue. I'm gonna remove this green, or change the color of this green actually, so that you guys can see it a little bit better. But let's see. Can I change the color? Nope, I cannot seem to highlight this. There we go. There we go. And then just change the contrast so that you can see the blue line. There we go. So there is a blue line right in there, and we're right at the 21 moving, the 200 period moving average. So Bitcoin has never broken that, and Bitcoin has never, ever on a weekly scale. On a weekly scale. And Bitcoin on a weekly scale has never, never, ever, never broken below the lower part of the Bollinger Band on the monthly scale. Sorry, I was on a monthly scale. Never. On a Bollinger Band return, it's never done that. Sorry, that was a 50 moving average on the monthly. And this was the 200 on the weekly right here. Sorry, the weekly's here is the 200 period moving average is right there. So we're just right at it right now. Okay. All right. Before I get on to news, once again, I'm going to Istanbul. If you're interested in joining me, right, links are in the description below on how to do that. Also, if you want to, take part in the trading contest, right, join my team.
All right. Now he's talking about selling and shit.
Crypto crash weekend wreaked havoc in DeFi protocols and centralized exchanges.
It's sex. Hold on.
Crypto crash weekend wreaked havoc in DeFi protocols and centralized exchanges, basically. Let's see here. On Monday,
we know about all this, right? We know about all that. So, but damn, imagine being that guy. No, that guy's not my real. This is my real dad, guys. This is my real dad. This is my real dad. If you guys didn't know who this guy is, Bitcoin Rodney, baby. Yeah. Bitcoin Rodney. Nani? Yes, this is my father. Just kidding. I don't know who this guy is, but Bitcoin Rodney, what's this called? Where's my chain? Yeah. 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 Imagine me wearing a big ass chain.
Yeah, man. And you know what? We know the assignment. Indeed. You don't know, you don't know. Rodney Burton.
Oh, we can't play that copyrighted music. All of these are like hype videos. This guy's just like extremely rich. And just makes hype videos. It's just hype videos. It's like food, drinking, jewelry, orange jumpsuits. This is very interesting, right? Get it, Rodney. Get it, Rodney. He paid. He don't care about no copyright law. He paid. Exactly, right? Rodney Bling Inu. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm going to chat with the chat. Michael Saylor says they anticipated Bitcoin volatility and will hodl through adversity. Damn, we'll see. He's 55, dressing like he's 23, right? Show me what you got, little lady. His teeth too nice to be your dad. Bitcoin Rodney looks like he retired 2 Live crew member. I mean, when you got money like that, you just dress any way you want. You know, shout out to Richard Hart, right? Let's see Richard Hart. This guy dresses like a complete fool. This is not bad. It's not bad, but drip. Rodney, do you think this bear market will go into the next couple of months? Need to sell my house, takes time. Yes, it will. I think it'll be a bear market for a while. Do not sell your house. I know you're just joking, but god damn. Your house? Peru Invest with the Education says Bitcoin is a protocol and BTC, BSV, BSH is a brand. Telling Bitcoin BTC is not right. Just say BTC coins are Coinbase already in court saying Bitcoin BTC. You're welcome. Grammar lesson for the day. Your is a contraction for you are. That shows, you know. Yeah. So your that's different. That's like possession, right? You are is what you're looking for. So it'd be you are welcome. So I don't want anyone. No one's gonna fucking sue me for that. Imagine taking me to court for that. Like literally, no one will sue me for that. Which shitty dev gonna get killed by someone they wrecked? Plenty to choose from. I reckon December at the latest. People are saying it's gonna be longer, right? When god damn merch, right? It's just big god damn. What's up, Costa? Welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. You better be joking. Don't be selling your house for fucking shit coins. No, it's not shit coins, but yeah, volume is kind of low. Let's check a trading view. Bitcoin Core fork to Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin fork BSV. BSV is far better than Bitcoin Core Cash. Oh, look at that volume. Oh, chart. Yeah, man. God damn. Damn, son. I mean, we called this, right? Right, Bernie? So absolutely sell your house right now. That might be the move, right? If there's a market crash. Chad, Mononoke, Inu Dev, are they still a thing? Bernie, we're gonna have to see about that. I don't think so. I think I'm gonna take a break from. I should probably be doing TA. I should probably be doing TA once a week, but I just have no interest in it right now. But we'll definitely get together soon. I'm trying to, you know, hodl as much as I can and buy the dip as much as I can. So sell your house to someone who pays in Bitcoin. TA is King Boy. Selling house, put it in ETH and renting. Real estate bubble bigger than 2008 is about to pop. Everything is going to go crazy. The next 2 to 3 years will be the biggest transfer of generational wealth of our time. That's what I was saying in some videos. Like, make sure, like, you know, you take the time to invest while like things are super low, right? If you have to make, you know, extra income or do what you can to get that extra income, like just do so. This was good.
The only phone made by Google, because when
Guys, I'm buying a lot of crypto right now because I think the best chance to make the most amount of money quite easily in crypto, it's here right now. In fact, it's going to be here for a while. And I'm going to get slaughtered in the comments for saying this. This is fine. This is how I know I'm right. If I wasn't getting slaughtered in the comments, I would probably be doubtful about it. But I'm buying all sorts of assets right now. I'm deploying all the money I've had sitting aside for a long time to buy up as much as I possibly can over the next few months to the next year. And in my opinion, like I just stated, this is the easiest, the most risk-free opportunity to dramatically increase your wealth, get huge returns. And if you take a few good moonshots, make outlandish returns that you're ever going to have in crypto or you're ever going to have in many assets. And people are going to explode. They're going to go nuts. They're going to call me an idiot. That's absolutely fine. And frankly, the reason why I'm making this video is because of all this stupidity I'm seeing primarily in crypto Twitter. And if you watch my channel, you're probably a young guy and you might get sucked into stupidity and you're going to make such dumb mistakes right here, viewing this bear market like a bull market. You need to know.
Here to protect you, giving away grammar education. Love it. That's the 20K follower ego, my friend. I make sure this vid will reach right people. Bitcoin is not Bitcoin. Dude, no one gives a fuck about the minutia. No one fucking cares. BTC, Bitcoin, who cares? Potato, tomato. Look it. I get it. You're like a Bitcoin maxi. I understand. Chill the fuck out, dude. Just relax. Like you bring it up every time you're here. It's like, okay. No one cares. No one's going to get sued for saying BTC instead of Bitcoin. No one, literally no one. If someone sends me a lawsuit, I'm going to take it. I'm going to say Curry now, I guess, in the trash can. No one cares. We don't even talk about Bitcoin that much on this channel. The reason why we talk about Bitcoin is that it's Big Daddy, right? Things follow it. BTC. So what is this? Is fucking crypto bubbles wrong? Is coin market cap wrong? You going to sue everybody? The fuck out of here. Calm down, dude. Relax. Just fucking chill out. Fucking relax, bro. Woosah. You know? God damn. Just chill out. We're hanging out, bro. God damn.
Know how to look at it like a bear market. And there's some really obvious things here. I'm not here to call the bottom on Bitcoin or say, when there's blood on the streets, you should be buying. Like every other Joe Smo Dickwad McGee on Twitter. I'm just here to give you some very basic brain exercises, some very basic context. It's going to
Yeah, Alex Becker does kind of ground you, though. You know what I mean? It is true that, you know, everyone's freaking out.
Show you that everything that's going on right now is so incredibly dumb. Okay. And so I'm going to hop in the charts. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at, what I'm buying. And I'm going hard on it because I think it's one of the easiest ways for me to dramatically increase my wealth that's ever been here. It's like almost a COVID crash, if not better than the COVID crash. So without further ado, I'm just going to get into it. Again, this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want. And I'm just a dude screaming in a room at you, usually wears a hoodie and screams cuckold jokes on YouTube.
Turns out holders.
Mistakes right here, because that's where we are. We're not here anymore. Okay. So look, the problem I see going on Twitter right now is people. First off, I just have to rant. Okay. So at these points right here, and what I see on Twitter, it's just shocking because I never thought people would be this damn stupid. Okay. So on Twitter right now, I said I'm starting to buy right here. People are ripping me apart in the comments, going absolutely not, idiot, blah, 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 blah. You know, that would hurt my feelings because it's not fun. I'm not going to be straight with you. It's not particularly fun having people scream weird crap on you on the internet. But listening to that crap lost me a lot of money. For example, right here, I made a video on how I think the bull market is tapping out. I made, you can go look at it on YouTube. I said, this looks really bad and unhealthy. And I think I'm going to sell and start taking profits here. I only took 20% profits and I didn't take the rest because everyone made fun of me. You know, called me a loser, lettuce hands, all those things. I didn't take profits. Guess what? I lost half of my earnings that I made all the way from buying in March, right here. I lost half of that. That sucked. If you lost a lot of money right now, I was going through that right there, you know? And guess what? When I made a video on YouTube, you can go look at it. And this is
it is crazy, right? You almost had a second if you hodled and you were feeling bad, like damn, I should have sold at the top. You literally had a second chance. Panic is pretty funny. You got TA guys on Twitter throwing out 100 different price predictions. I'm fucking telling you, it's just too confusing. It's so confusing. Hey, fucking prediction. I'm just like, stop. Stop.
This is not me saying I call tops and bottoms. Not at all. I had plenty of wrong calls, my guys. But the thing you want to try to avoid is not making colossally bad calls. If you lose a little bit of money on this call or that call, that's fine. It's when you make these terrible calls. When you hodl at the wrong time and you sell at the wrong time. So, again, when I made a video right here on YouTube, March, said I bet the farm on Bitcoin. People made fun of me. They ripped me apart. Everyone I knew in real life, I remember I was at a pool party screaming $50,000 Bitcoin. People thought I was a joke. Okay. Like people were bad for me. They thought I was drunk, in which I was, but who's laughing now? So both of these times right here, the best time to buy and the best time to sell, I was berated. Okay. Then also up here, I called the top of Sandbox and also I called the top of Ada perfectly, like literally to a T. Again, I've missed many calls. I'm just talking about people's reactions because primarily I was investing in crypto gaming. And I said it's $6.69. You can go look at it. It's in the YouTube community tab. I think gaming is going to blow off top. I'm going to start taking props aggressively. People on Twitter made fun of me, mocked me, called me an idiot. When I said, hey, Ada.
This is a long ass video. We're not going to watch the entire video. But the thing is, like, dude, it's like, just DCA to your favorite projects. Look at shitcoins do not qualify as fucking shit is safe to DCA in. They just don't. They're too risky. They're speculative plays. They're like companies that they might do well, they might not. But I'm talking about the big daddies, the big boys. We always talk about the big boys. Just DCA, baby. DCA. Don't freak out. The point is, like, people want to they don't want to sell anything when you hit all-time highs. They fucking don't. But then now that cryptocurrency's taking a dump, everyone's like, I'm selling everything. It's over. It's like, how does that make any sense? It's time for everyone to put their big boy pants on and make tough decisions. Nobody out there can tell you what's going on to happen to crypto short term, however long term, fire. That's what I was thinking. I'm not a trader. I've never been a trader. It's not me. I don't fuck with that. I am a DCA kind of guy. I'm looking at the long-term kind of thing, So all kinds of emotions. Humans are creatures of habit. It could tell previous big turning points can make some good money at. I know that trading works, Crypto Demon, but it's not all the time. Not all the time. There are some good people out there who get it wrong a lot. So I'd rather not take that route, so take a look at the top 10 cryptos over 2018, 2019. You'll be surprised with the change. That was a huge mistake to time me out. If you don't respect others' opinion, I actually didn't time you out. Someone must have timed you out. I'm a YouTuber longer than you. Only coward can do what you did. Be a man. Well, you're fucking in here with your panties in a bunch, getting mad because we're calling Bitcoin BTC. Well, fantastic. Peru invest. Great. I don't know who timed you out, but don't time him out for having an opinion. It's just that you got to calm down, dude. You can't come in here and just be like, I mean, you can, but it's like, dude, like we're at a party and you come to the party and you're just bitching. Like everyone's like, dude, just chill the fuck out, dude. Like sit down and have a drink. And you're just like, Bitcoin's not BTC. Stop it. You're going to get a lawsuit. Like, dude, no one fucking cares. The ticker is BTC on CoinMarketCap. What the fuck do you want from me? What do Bitcoin, BTC, Bitcoin, BTC. Just relax. Take a fucking chill pill. I'm here to educate you. Take it or leave it. All right, I'm leaving it. There it is. We left it. It's left. It's like no one cares about the education of that. That's dumb. That's not even like it's not even like a point to educate me on that. That's like some random ass. It just who cares? Just chill, bro. Just chill. God damn. Fucking weird facts. No, you're allowed to stay here, but like, dude, the Bitcoin maxis are out of their mind. It's like, chill the fuck out, dude. Don't be mad because Ethereum is better, you know? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That's really gonna trigger you. God damn. Chill, Papo. God damn. And yes, Saitama is trash. Yeah, we all know Saitama is trash. Yes. Bitcoin is BCH is Bitcoin Cash. BSC is Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. No, it's not the original BTC chain. Everyone knows it as that. But he's trolling you, Rodney. Ignore his motherfucker. But no, I agree. I'm not correct all the time. You can make profitable with only 50% strike rate with good risk reward, but fundamentals do rule crypto. Big news will smash through levels. Yeah, I follow some guy called Trade Confident Crypto Demon who's really good. I think he's only lost like one trade. You know? Yeah, if you're threatening and saying like lawsuits and stuff like that, Peru Invest, like it's saying this video is going to get into the right hands or stuff like that. It's like, dude, you don't have to be here. If you're threatening to do a lawsuit because I'm saying BTC over Bitcoin, fucking go ahead. You want to go waste your time over a YouTuber that has 20,000 subscribers who calls Bitcoin BTC? Fucking be my guest. It just makes you weird, you know? It just makes you strange. If you don't want to educate people, then just upload your own channel, and then over you can talk about Bitcoin at the time as Bitcoin coming over here. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you could do that. You're allowed to do that. Bitcoin maxes have done zero research into Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Come sue me, punk. See what you did? The chat is mad now. Peru Invest. Damn. Daddy, chill. Just chill. Just hang out, bro. Imagine walking into a room and complaining about how they're hanging out. Like, you don't have to be here. That is allowed. You're welcome here, but you're just being weird. Remember that guy who sold at 30 cents and then went to $8? Damn, that'd be crazy, right? It's BTC, RP. Uh-oh. We had cockroaches in 3 days. We don't need anybody fucking it up for us. Relax, Papa. Just chill, my boy. Tranquilo. Bitcoin, BTC. You think so, Mr. Cryptic? Shut your ass up and cry someone else. Is SHIB a good buy? SHIB's going to move with the market. So if you want, if you like it, I don't see anything wrong about DCAing and the Shiba Inu. They need Shibarium, though. They need Shibarium. Shiba Inu is the first, meme coin that to really make it, right? So I have been watching for a long time. I comment on OG Saitama warning videos. Yeah, I used to watch. I started watching Crypto Demon a lot right before New Year's. Right before New Year's is when I started watching his content. He was like one of the only people talking shit about Saitama. So, hey, Rodney, are you Mexican? Part of my family is. It's kind of weird. But I was raised in like literally 99% of the population where I was raised is Mexican. DCA XRP, better hope they win that lawsuit. He sold this in the video for 500. Imagine if it. Oh, I know, Wandy, I know. I feel like this happens. You know, if you watch, just go watch like a bunch of YouTube videos on cryptocurrency and like the mainstream media's coverage and people's crazy predictions. Like it always seems that there's always something like this, right? Yeah, I saw that, Dan. I saw that. Mr. Plankton? What's it, Rob? Arriba! Bitcoin, BTC, the new coin. Well, we're going to call it Bit Token. How about that? It's Bit Token now. Everybody, well, we will now refer to Bitcoin as Bit Token now. Okay, so I don't care what this says. Bit Token. Yeah, I think so too. Cool Cat Crypto. Papa John probably held that shit. You think so? How did that even work back then? Why was Papa John taking fucking crypto payments? Nuts. Miss NFT Queen, if Awesome's not going, I'm not gonna go. I have a teammate. Bit token. Big token. Bitcoin has a stable coin, right? Yes, Bitcoin is an algorithmic Bit token UST. 100 Bitcoin is worth $260 in 2011. Oh. You out here, Jonah? Have a good one. XRP is a sleeping giant, extremely risky with lots of upside. Yeah, dude. And they're always hovering around like top 5, right? Oh, top 8. Oh, they're above Cardano for a little bit. High market cap, but okay, Peru. If you're saying Bitcoin is actually Bitcoin, is Bitcoin more like ETH? Explain. Actually, Bitcoin is more like ETH. I think Peru Invest is gone. I think he's mad. Oh, Lordy. Hold on, bro. I need to call out. Be right. Just hold on. I'm calling out. I'm calling out. Just hold on. I'm calling out. Oh. Just hold on. I'm calling out. I'm calling out. Just hold on. We're calling out. Oh. XRP fed up trying to be swift. This is all Fudney's fault. It is all my fault. I'm sorry, guys. I did this. I'm honored that you think I did this. People are literally still blaming me for Saitama. So. Okay, I was going to say BS until his head exploded. Oh, here we go. Sheep versus Peru. Read Bitcoin paper. I know you will be like, I don't give a fuck about white paper. You are and you will. You will find out soon. Shut up. Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. We read a lot of white papers. We don't need to read a white paper for Bitcoin. It's a store of fucking value. Ethereum's going to flip that shit anyways. Next bull run, Ethereum flips Bitcoin. Get the fuck out of here. You know what's better than Bitcoin? Hex. You know what? You know what? We're going to watch fucking Richard Hart fucking roast videos now. Used to burn me on the Ethereum chain. Bop, bop, bop. XRP is trash. He used to call me on the ETH chain. Bam, bam, bam. Makes me wonder who's been giving Peru non-financial advice. And I wish a motherfucker would send me a lawsuit. I would LeBron James windmill dunk that shit in the trash can so fast. It'd be insane. Literally. No, it's called Bit Token now. Peru, it's called Bit Token. Bitcoin dev not docs is zero on the token sniffer. Is Bitcoin a complete shitcoin? I think so. BRC20. Oh, I remember him calling Saitama a scam. He did call Saitama a scam. I saw that, but then he ended up changing his tune on it later when it started to pump. And he has good research. Yeah, I saw that, Jay Linda. I saw that. But he did change his opinion up when Saitama started to pump. So get your Bitcoin NFC. Just hold on. We're going home. We're going home. I did see the Jake Crypto video. He did a good breakdown of that Saitama video. He did a very good one. He you know, I made a little funny clip about it, right? Just hold on, we're going home. Bolt will flip Bitcoin. Oh Lord. Just hold on, we're going. Da 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 da. It's called Bit Token now, guys. Look at. If you do not refer to it as Bit Token anymore, just you're doing it wrong. It is now Bit Token. Oh, I have to do more cardio now. This is gonna suck. I just got to do it. I just got to do it. I got to do more cardio now. I need to get a good audiobook for the month. What do you guys recommend? What do you guys recommend? I gotta ramp up my cardio. It's not enough. It's not enough. I gotta ramp up my damn cardio. It's not enough. It's not enough. It's not enough. I gotta ramp it up, baby. What do you guys recommend? I need a good book. Give me a good book. Oh, I'm trying to find that video real quick of me me pointing that out. It's a good video. Just hold on, we're gonna rug. We're gonna rug. Just hold on, we're gonna rug. Da 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 da. Just hold on, we're gonna rug. I'm almost here. I'm almost here. I'm almost here. Maybe I didn't have it anymore. I've read some pretty good rugs. Or listened to some pretty good books in the past. I can't find it. I'm trying to find that video I made, roasting Saitama. It's a good one. It's a good one, yes.
Having an awesome day so far. The energy.
Oh, check this out. Hold on, real quick, just for old time's
There,
sake.
wolves. I hope everyone is having an awesome day so far. The energy of this community is beyond amazing. I go by L for short, but you guys could totally call me Saitama Diva. And for my fellow Filipinos out there, this Saitama works too. I'm a gamer, crypto enthusiast, and I do also love Japanese food. And now, a proud member of the Saitama Wolfpack. I mean, that's just beyond cool. I'm eager to meet every single one of you. Let's learn and grow together. Doodles! Hey there.
Oh, oh, crypto expert. Just hold on, we're gonna rug. Gonna rug. Just hold on, we're gonna rug. Oh. I've read Rich Dad Poor Dad before. Just hold on, we're going home. Where is that follow? Do you really wanna hurt? I literally fucked that guy up. Where's that video I made? It was a good one, but it's about that exact situation. Look at those protein pancakes. God damn. Unless I don't have it. Where is it at? It was so funny. It was a little clip I made. Damn, look at your boy looking all swole as hell. Chill, 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 chill. Chill, chill. Chill. Yeah, I think it's I don't know where it's at. Sometimes on Twitter, for some reason, sometimes things are just missing, right? You guys ever see that? This is cool ass art. Look at the Wagmi defense art. Isn't that cool as fuck? Yeah, they're protein pancakes too, so super you out of here, Bree? Eager to meet every one of you. Barely fucking. Is she still on Twitter? You out here, Boomer? See you, Boomer. Have a good one. Just hold on, we're going home. Going home. Just hold on, we're going home. Oh. Just hold on, we're going home. Home. Just hold on, we're going home. Da 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 da. Must be something, baby. What's up, Bree? Saitama sponsored by Weight Watchers. Y'all go be great. Take it easy. What's up, Chills Bro? What's wrong with you, Chills Bro? You good? Hell no, Saitama ain't dropping no airdropping no tokens. Your money's gone. Everybody's so mad. Everybody, why are you so mad? Don't you know? Pop it up. Not to make some chili cheese tots for the channel. Ooh, that sounds good. Remember, your subscribers are always right, like your customers. Dude, literally, that's not true. And if you work in retail, that's not true either. What's up, blockchains?
Wish I had $1. I told y'all crackheads crack me up. That boy got skills, though. I wish I had $1. I might.
God damn. Damn, gas, diapers, essential items will be tax-free in Florida. Why the fuck am I not in Florida? DeSantis is so fucking based. Fuck California. It's beautiful here, but damn, dude, you know? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You guys know what I'm saying, right? Come on. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Have a fantastic day. I'm going to go get my workout on, my cardio, all the good stuff. Thank you guys so much. Have a fantastic day. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. I'm going to murder these legs. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.